Okay, it is day 5 of recording the Cincinnati cicadas. As you can see them flying around, getting a little bit louder. A bunch of the older, bigger trees are where a lot of them are coming from, but they are on the tops, on the bottoms. The shells are stuck all over the trees. If you get out and do yard work and try to mow and do any weed eating, they will come at you. It can't hurt you, just more of a nuisance. But yeah, even with the central air on in the house, with the doors and windows closed, you can still hear them inside the house. So this is day 5. We'll keep these going until they start getting quieter.